Hey everyone, thank you for using my app, and here's a very quick tutorial on how to use it. On this video we're going to be diving into the moon and sun transits, but everything else I'll do an in-depth video later on. So, you want to go to transitchaser.com and it'll ask you for your location, click allow, and it'll give you a Boolean reminder, just read it and go got it. So the whole idea of this app is to mainly help photographers capture planes doing transit over the sun and the moon. It's not to automate anything or to take the fun out of photography, it's to make sure that you guys don't miss another transit again. So go into the app, by default it'll be using ADBS-1, which all these four are flight radar info providers. I'll dive into the other three on my other video, but by default it'll be using ADBS-1. So just go use, and location mode, it'll be auto. If that doesn't work for you, just put it to manual, select on the map where your location is and go refresh. Everything else is pretty straightforward. So you got transit mode, I'm going to put it to sun. Search radius, I like to leave it at 30. Prediction mode's fine at 30. Auto refresh should be on by default. And we get to one of the most important bits, detective margin. So the lower you have this, the better transit you're going to be. But just to be safe, I like to leave it around 6 because flight paths are unpredictable. And that's basically it. So once you leave this app running, if it picks up a plane that is heading towards the sun, it will alert you. So just to give an example, let's boost this all the way up to 45. And it might give you a plane. Let's put this to 100 just to give you guys an example. There you go. So this plane is obviously nowhere near the sun because we put this up all the way high at 45 degrees and 100 Ks. But this is just giving an example what an alert would look like, and this is how the app functions. Now let me show you guys an actual example of a transit that I recorded. That one has a low detective margin, this one has a high, and it has just picked up a plane right there, and I can see it right there, and it's heading towards the sun. And I think we might get a transit because we're getting beeps from these two. So let's have a look if the transit's gonna happen. And I think we might just get a little bit of a crossover if we're lucky. This is recording. Maybe, if we're lucky. There we go. And boom.